Whatever your life situation, disease, death, divorce, whatever the hell is happening in your life, even if the worst things are happening to you, still there is no reason for you to get frustrated, miserable, depressed, whatever, because you came here with nothing. Whatever is happening, you're anyway on the profit side. And there is an assurance when you go, there is nothing to take. What are you crying about? What is it? No, you know what they said, what they did, they looked at me like this, they said that, they did this, they did that. It doesn't matter who did what. Just see what a dastardly thing you're doing to yourself when you make yourself miserable. Nobody has to do anything to you. If you are making yourself stressed, frustrated, miserable, depressed, you don't need enemies, you're on self-help and you're doing great. It's time you get out of this.
So ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನಾ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಬಾನೆ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು KK ಸಂಡೇ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಲಾಂಗರ್. KK ಸಂಡೇ ಇಕ್ವಿಟಿ, ಸಾರಿ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಯಾವತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡ್ರೋನ್ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ. ಮೆನಿ ಡ್ರೋನ್ ಕಂಪ್ನೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ಇದು BSE ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಐತಿ, BSE ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್. ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ NSE. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಡ್ರೋನಾಚಾರ್ಯ drone company stock it is. It has got listed in December 2022 and it has made a high of 243 in 2023 January and it has made a resistance at 220. So Dronacharya stocks, where to buy? You can buy Dronacharya at 111. Remember 111. 111 ಬಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಬೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. 111 ಬಂದರೆ ಬೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Best buying, patience buying, risk free buying will be at 111 and aggressive buying will be above 131. ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 131 above buy ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಒಂದು for aggressive buyers and non-risky buyers, non-risky investors can buy, wait and buy at 111. Remember, Dronacharya, this company drones are used for agriculture purpose, industrial purpose. Mattu ee Dronacharya was founded in 2017 by Pratik Srivastav from Karnataka. Now the head office, corporate office is at Pune. So don't forget to buy Dronacharya at 111. 111 maribadri buy madaka. And for aggressive investors, one can go for 131 above. So do bet on Dronacharya Aerial Innovation Limited. So thank you very much for watching my video. Stay tuned, stay alert, stay invested and stay tuned for next KK Sunday equity. Thank you very much.